What is up, people? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Chime mobile banking app. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is download and install the app. So just go to the App Store for iOS devices or to the Google Play Store for Android devices, and search for Chime. And from the search results, select Chime and download the app. And once the app is downloaded, follow the prompts to install it to your mobile device. Now step 2 is to log into your account. So tap the Chime app icon on your mobile device that you have just downloaded and enter your email address and password that's associated with your Chime account to log into your account. Now you want to authenticate with fingerprint or facial recognition. Of course, this is optional, but I recommend doing it. So if enabled, just use fingerprint or face recognition to authenticate your login. The step 3 is to navigate the app. So first you have a home screen where you can view your account balance, recent transactions and offers. Menu, you can access the menu by tapping the hamburger icon to view account settings, transaction histories and more. You also have tabs, so you can navigate between home, move money, settings and the help tab. Now when it comes to managing your account, there are a couple of things you can do. You can view account balances. You can just check your spendings, savings and credit builder account balances there. You can also view your transaction history, including deposits, withdrawals and purchases. You can also manage your account settings. You could do things like updating your address or your phone number or whatever. The 5th step, of course, is to move money, so you can transfer funds between your Chime accounts or to external bank accounts. You can also send money to friends or family using their email address or phone number. And of course, you can deposit checks remotely using the Chime mobile app. You can also use mobile deposits. So to use mobile deposits, all you got to do is to sign the back of the check and write for Chime deposit only, and then you're going to use the Chime mobile app to take a clear photo of the front and the back of the check and review and confirm the deposit details. You can do all that on the mobile app. You can also access additional features. So you can access credit builder. So access your credit builder account and view your credit scores on the app. You can also set saving goals and track progress, and you can also view offers and discounts from Chime partners all on the app. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Chime mobile banking app. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know your thoughts, share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.